Ogun and Eshu at the Crossroads. Fictional tale. The forest was thick that morning, its heart humming with secrets. Birds called out names only the spirits could understand. In the distance, the rhythm of iron striking stone echoed through the trees. Ogun, the Orisha of iron and war, was clearing the way for humankind. His muscles glistened with sweat and metal dust. Each swing of his machete opened a new path through tangled vines, each strike carving the first roads of the world. But when the sun sank and Ogun rested his weary arms, mischief began to move. At the edge of the night, Eshu, the trickster, messenger, and keeper of the crossroads, danced barefoot along Ogun's paths. With a grin full of secrets, he twisted the trails into circles, moved the markers and whispered to the wind, "Let's see how they find their way now." By morning, Ogun woke to chaos. The straight roads were gone. The travelers were lost. Even his tools had vanished into the underbrush. Anger burned hot in his chest. "Eshu," he roared, voice shaking the leaves from the trees. "Why do you undo the work I do for the people?" The air shimmered. Out from the shadows stepped Eshu, his hat half red, half black, his smile sharp as a blade. "Because, mighty Ogun," he said, "if every path were straight, no one would ever stop to think where they're going. Confusion teaches wisdom." Ogun's hand gripped his machete. The ground trembled as he raised it high, ready to strike. But before the iron could fall, thunder split the sky. A voice rolled from the heavens like a drumbeat. "Enough! Ogun's order gives progress. Eshu's chaos gives purpose. One cannot exist without the other." The wind stilled. Ogun's arm dropped. His anger melted into understanding. He knelt and pressed his iron blade into the earth. "Then let our paths meet in peace," he said. Eshu laughed softly, clapping his hands. "Peace at the crossroads. That's where all journeys truly begin." And so Ogun built a shrine for Eshu beside every new road he forged. Travelers who passed that place learned to leave two offerings, one for the road ahead, and one for the trickster who teaches them to see beyond it. Since then, no journey begins without calling both names. Ogun to clear the way and Eshu to keep the traveler wise. Moral: even the straightest road needs a twist to reveal its truth.